Hello students, in this session of chapter number 11, that is enhancement of food production. Today we are going to learn regarding the different products produced with the help of microorganisms. Now you know that there are different kinds of useful products which are produced by the use of microorganism. Now these products include like vitamins. You know that vitamins are essential for complete normal and healthy growth of an individual. So vitamins are produced with the help of microorganisms as well as different kinds of organic acids, then different enzymes as well as antibiotics and alcoholic beverages are produced with the help of microorganisms. So first we are going to learn regarding the production of alcoholic beverages. Now the term beverages is used for the liquid which is used for drinking purpose. There are different kinds of beverages like alcoholic beverages, then non-alcoholic beverages. Now alcohol is produced by the process of fermentation. Now you know that fermentation is a process in which chemical changes are being brought in organic substrate by the action of enzymes secreted by microorganisms and useful products are produced. So for alcohol production, the fermentation of substrates is carried. Now substrates means these are the substances on which the microorganisms grow and multiply, and they secrete the enzyme, and the enzyme accordingly act on the substrate. So such substances which are used as a raw material are called as substrates. Now alcohol production is carried with the help of microorganisms called as yeast. The most common species used for the production of alcohol is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So it is one of the species of yeast. Then generally different kinds of raw materials are used. The raw materials which are used for the production of alcohols are cereals, then different kinds of fruit juices, then sugar molasses. You know that in a sugar industry, the waste material after extraction of sugar juice is called as sugar molasses. So such sugar molasses which contain some amount of sugar is used as a raw material for the production of alcohol. Then sugar sap of different kinds of palms and coconut tree is also used. Similarly, the fruits of cashew are also used as a raw material for the production of different kinds of alcoholic beverages. Now there are different alcoholic beverages produced by different methods. Now the process of distillation is used to produce the products or the alcoholic products like rum, whiskey and brandy. Then the products which are prepared without distillation are wine and beer. So alcoholic fermentation is carried out by the use of microorganisms like yeast, and the common species is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Similarly, the different products are produced by using different types of raw materials. Now we will see regarding tubular tower fermenter. Now tubular tower fermenter is used in the production of alcohol. So in this fermenter, raw material or substrate is added, then the species of yeasts are added. Then the yeast secrete certain enzymes which bring chemical changes in the organic substrate and alcohol is produced. The alcohol gets accumulated at the top. It can be obtained through a outlet pipe. Then depending upon the product, the process of purification is carried out. Then here in this diagram we see a tubular tower fermenter. Then it has a heat exchange pump to maintain the temperature of the fermenter. Then here we can see the movement of the yeast. The yeast move in the substrate, or they move in the total amount of substrate. So tubular tower fermenter is used in the production of alcohol. Now the next topic is production of organic acids. Now you know that organic acids are essential for different purposes, and different kinds of organic acids are produced with the help of microorganisms. So here is the list of organic acid, and these are the microbes which are used in the production of organic acids. Now the first type of organic acid is citric acid, and it is produced by the microorganism called as Aspergillus niger. Now you know that citric acid is used as a preservative in different kinds of food substances. Then the next one is gluconic acid. This gluconic acid is also produced from the microbe, that is Aspergillus niger. Now gluconic acid is used in industry for the production of different kinds of medicines. Then the next one is fumaric acid. Now fumaric acid is produced from Rhizopus aereus. Then acetic acid, or it is also called as vinegar, is produced from the organism, that is Acetobacter aceti. So organic acids are produced by using different kinds of microorganisms. Then the next role of microbes is production of vitamins. Now vitamins are nitrogenous compounds essential for complete normal and healthy growth of an individual. Only vitamin D can be synthesized, or it is produced inside the body. Then remaining vitamins are obtained by us from different kinds of food materials. But some persons, due to poor diet, do not get proper amount of these vitamins. So additional vitamins are supplied in the form of medicine or tablets. So to produce such type of vitamins artificially, different kinds of microorganisms are used in the industrial production of vitamins. Now for example, vitamin B2 is produced from the microbe, that is Neurospora gossypi. These are the scientific names of these microbes. Then vitamin B12 is produced from the microbe, that is Pseudomonas denitrificans. Then vitamin C is produced from the microbe, that is Aspergillus niger. So there are different types of microbes which are used in the production of vitamins. So vitamins are produced in the industry and they are used for the persons who have vitamin deficiency. So these vitamins help in complete normal and healthy growth of an individual. Then the next role of microbes is the production of antibiotics. Now antibiotics are the substances produced by microorganism which kill or inhibit the growth of other disease causing harmful microorganisms. So such substances are called as antibiotics. The first antibiotic was discovered by the scientist called as Alexander Fleming. So antibiotics play an important role in curing different types of diseases like leprosy, then diphtheria, then whooping cough. So these diseases can be cured with the help of antibiotics. So industrial production of antibiotics is carried by using different kinds of microorganisms, and there are different types of antibiotics. So here are the names of some antibiotic and their microbial source. Now the first antibiotic is chloromycetin. Chloromycetin is produced from the microorganism called as Streptomyces venezuelae. Then second one is erythromycin. Erythromycin is produced from the microbe, that is Streptomyces erythraeus. Then penicillin. Penicillin is produced from Penicillium chrysogenum. Then the next antibiotic is streptomycin. Streptomycin is produced from Streptomyces graeus. Then bacillin antibiotic is produced from the microbe, that is Bacillus licheniformis. The next one is terramycin. Terramycin is produced from Streptomyces aurifaciens. Then griseofulvin is produced from Penicillium griseofulvum. So these are the some antibiotics, and these are the microbes which are used for the production of these antibiotics. So antibiotics are used to cure different types of diseases caused by bacteria or fungi.